Are you tired of looking at a dirty and stained driveway? Well, our pressure washing service is the perfect way to make your driveway look brand new again. Using high pressure water, we can remove dirt, grime, oil stains, and even moss and algae. Our trained professionals know exactly how much pressure to use to clean your driveway without damaging it. With our pressure washing service, you can improve your curb appeal, as well as increase your home's value. So contact us today to schedule your pressure washing appointment and make your driveway look like new again.